Problem 11. The first of the 5 proofs of which you have to do 3 of your choice. So number 11. Let's take the givens and put them into our diagram. So first, they tell us BD is a median. Okay, BD is a median. And by definition, the median will split the base into 2 congruent parts. So this entire base is getting split into 2 congruent parts. Okay, that's us using the median piece. The next thing they tell us is that AB, okay, AB, this side here, is congruent to CB, this side here. And that's given. So right off the bat I have side congruent to a side, and then another side congruent to another side. And whenever you do these proofs, you're going to look for definitions, using definitions, but sometimes you should look for intersecting lines because they form vertical angles, which I don't have here, but also to use the reflexive property. And our 2 triangles are this top one and this bottom one, and this red side, BD, is in both my top and my bottom. So it is the third side of each triangle, and it's congruent to itself. So that's another, that's my third side. So if I look at my little cheat sheet over here, I'm going to cross out all the ones I'm not going to use. I am going to use the side, side, side postulate. So now we just got to write it up. So I'm going to start with my givens. 1, BD is a median. And how did I know that? Oh, it was given. Okay. 2, side AB is congruent to side CB. I'm going to just let myself know that's a side. And what's my reason for stating that? Oh, it's given. Okay? So I've checked that off. All right? I'm going to address these right now. I'm going to get them out of the way. And then I'm going to say 3. Okay? Side AD. Side AD, right? AD is congruent to side CD. That's another side. 3. How did I know that? Well, that's the definition of a median. If I've stated I have a median, then I can use that later to say something further like this, and then just invoke the definition in order to accomplish that. Okay? So I've got 2 pairs of congruent sides. Now I just need this last one, that third side, for BD is congruent to itself, BD, and that's my last side. And how did I know that? Oh, well, I'm using the reflexive property. Okay? Once I've stated my 3 facts, I'm ready to use one of these triangle congruence postulates. These 5 postulates allow me to say triangles are congruent. So I'm going to just copy that. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. And my reason for stating this is the side, side, side postulate.